Hi guys, Michelle again with my lesson 12 discussion. For my first question, a parent who rewards a child with stickers each time the child performs a desired behavior is enacting which type of leadership? Directive, transactional, visionary, or empowering? Explain the answer. So I'm just going to start off with the definitions of the 4 different leadership approaches. The first one, directive leadership behavior, consists of implementing guidelines, providing information about what is expected, setting performance standards, and ensuring that individuals follow rules. Transactional leadership assumes employees are motivated by goals and equitable rewards. And because of this belief, a transactional leader will give their followers the goals and objectives they want them to meet. Visionary leadership creates visions to motivate, inspire, and stimulate employees. A visionary leader uses charisma to encourage followers to share in the mission and expects them to commit to him or her and work towards the desired goal. And lastly, empowering leadership shifts the focus from the leader to the follower through the idea of self-leadership. Empowering leaders help to develop the individual skill and abilities of their followers, allowing them to utilize these skills, take ownership of their work, and contribute to organizational performance. Our textbook also says that empowering leaders strive to lead others so that they can lead themselves. So a parent rewarding their child with stickers is enacting the transitional form of leadership, because the parent providing the child with rewards as a means of motivation to continue repeating the same behavior that they want. On to my second question. Consider the leadership approaches discussed this far in the chapter. Which of these leadership approaches best fits your leadership style? Explain why the leadership approach in your answer best fits you and why some of the other approaches do not. So going off the same 4 leadership approaches from my first question, empowering leadership best fits my leadership style. The simplest reason because I like to teach, I like to share my knowledge. If it's appropriate and the situation calls for, I will share my knowledge in the hopes that it will benefit someone. Maybe it's not at the exact moment, maybe at some day in the future they can use it. At least with the right guidance from another. Onto the second part of this question. The only style of leadership that I don't think would fit me at all is the directive form of leadership, because I really value teamwork, and I don't see myself just barking orders at someone without at least taking into consideration the opinions of my teammates, the ones who work directly with me. As for the other 2 approaches, transactional and visionary, although they aren't best suited for me, they also aren't too far off from my own style. So if empowering leadership were not an option, either of those 2 would be next in line for my choice. And then also I feel like transaction leadership and visionary leadership is kind of like the definition of transactional and visionary leader is kind of encased in the definition of an empowering leader. So those would be my next 2 options after empowering leadership. And that is it for me. Thank you.